Hello friends. Today we learn how to illustrate a colorful flower using Adobe Illustrator. In this tutorial we use pen tool, reflect, rotate, blend, and blend options. First draw a vertical line using pen tool. You may use shift key while draw the line for straight. Press alt key and bend the line a little bit. Select the curved line, then right click on it. In transform section choose reflect. Check on vertical, angle 90 degree, and copy. By pressing the shift key move the part to right. Select all, go to object menu, blend, then make. Shortcut key is alt plus control plus B. Again go to object menu, blend, and blend options. Spacing to specified steps. And increase the digit. Then OK. Select the object, press Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus F, pressing Shift key drag the object from the top anchor point to downward. Make it small. Select both of the object, click on Rotate key or press R. By pressing Alt key click on the lower anchor point. Rotate the angle to 30 degree. And copy. Press Ctrl plus D until make the circle complete. Now the flower is complete. Now time to put color on it. Go to Swatch Libraries menu, Nature, and Flowers. Keep the panel aside. By pressing Shift key select a small and a big petal and color it. Repeat this to other also. Open layer panel by pressing F7 or from the window menu. Add a layer. Drag the new layer below the older one. Now using rectangle tool draw a rectangle and fill it with black color. A beautiful colorful Illustrator flower is ready. Thanks for watching and learning. See you soon with a new lesson. Keep practicing.